welcome to my channel and happy Valentine's Day to you all. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys this simple glam sexy look for Valentine's Day. So now let's get started. If you want your makeup looks flawless and stays longer, then use a primer. So use any kind of primer. Today I'll be using this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Applying on those areas where I feel my makeup comes off very easily, like my T-zone area. Also I'm applying on my pores area as well. I'm done with my primer. Now I'm taking this NY Bay liquid foundation in the shade 02 Latte. Applying it all over my face and then blending it with a brush. As you can see, it blends like a dream and I love this foundation so much. Next I'm gonna contour my face by using this iTech Dazzler foundation stick in the shade Contour FS. So it's Valentine's Day and we had to use a pink blush. So today I'll be using this O2O Velvet Liquid Blush. I'm applying it to my cheeks, little bit on my nose and chin as well. Then blend it well with a brush. Next I'm gonna conceal my face with this NY Bay concealer. This is in the shade 02 Vanilla. So I'm applying it on my under eye area, forehead, nose and chin. Also a little bit here and there. So now I'm gonna do setting my face to lock the base for whole day. So for that I'm gonna use this product. So I'm gonna use Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder, taking little bit dusting off the excess, then lightly pressing the powder on under the eye, T-zone area, and then whatever left on my brush, applying the rest of my face. So today I'm gonna keep my eyes simple because I think I'm gonna do a bold red lipstick. So for that I'm gonna use this palette. This is Mars I Belong Into Your Purse eyeshadow palette. So I'm dipping this beautiful dusky pink color with a fluffy blending brush and applying it all over my eyelid. I'm intensifying the color until I'm satisfied, though it's a very pigmented palette. I'm applying the same shade to my lower lash line. To make my eyes pop, I'm gonna use this shimmer shade to my inner corner. Can you see the difference already? Now I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner with Maybelline gel eyeliner. And then applying a coat of mascara with my favorite Mars Fabulous mascara. So now I'm gonna applying lashes. I like to add this step, but you totally can skip this. This is Mars Fabulous eyelashes party ready. I love to add fake lashes. Can you see the difference? Now I'm setting my blush with NY Bay Sunset Skyline blush. After that I'm bronzing my face with Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Bronze. Now I'm applying Swiss Beauty, placing it top of cheekbone, nose and chin. Because it's a liquid highlighter, it blends best with finger or even blender. Lastly, applying this red lipstick by Matte Look Matte Crash Velvet Mousse. This is in the shade 05 Hot Red. Now I'm going to set my face with Marcel the Deal Makeup Fixer. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed and happy Valentine's Day once again. I love you all. See you in the next. Bye.